4th year and I'm taking BS Electrical Engineering. And this is siguro 3 years na since I've joined Campus Crusade for Christ here in UP Diliman. And from what I can attest, based on my experiences after joining Campus Crusade for Christ, I can definitely say na nagbago yung spiritual life ko. Hindi lang siguro when it comes to my relationship with God, but also when it comes to loving and sharing sa other people. So, let me state some examples why I can say that. First, kasi before passing yung UP college admission talaga, I prayed to God for an opportunity to share the gospel sa mga tao, ganyan. If ever He will pass me sa UPCA. And I don't know how during that time kung paano ko share yung gospel, but it's what the Lord has inspired me to do. So, I just pray to God, and after passing the UP college admission, I was able to get to know Crew through a brother in my church. And that's when I know Campus Crusade for Christ during my first year. And that's when I realized na kung paano ko i-share yung gospel. Pero during those times, nung first year ako, there are some struggles that I have. And it hinders me whenever I share the gospel. First is yung confidence. I struggle with confidence, with my insecurities sa sarili ko. I have various struggles din, addiction sa games, ganyan, sa iba't ibang aspects. And so, during those time, naka-apekto talaga siya sa akin when I was sharing the gospel. However, I was introduced to my discipler in UP Diliman, Kuya Carlo, and we have established a discipleship group doon nung second year ako, which is about manlyhood, yan. So, malaking help sa akin yan kasi it taught me how to become a man, paano i-deal yung emotions, paano i-deal yung thinking, overthinking, thoughts, ganyan. And it also allowed me to share my testimonies and my struggles sa kapwa ko kabataan, student from UP Diliman na nag-struggle din sa ganong aspects such as, yun nga, fighting with emotions, struggles, and identity in Christ. And I can say na ang laking changes na nabago whenever I open it up to them. Sobrang pinagpapasalamatan ko sa Panginoon for allowing me to have that discipleship group in Campus Crusade. And marami pa actually na binago sa akin ng Panginoon, pero that's all that I can say. That's why I can totally testify that Campus Crusade has changed my spiritual life, and I have a deeper relationship with Christ.